But what people don't see, okay, is this, the underwater drawdown. Okay, for 1 year, you are just under the water. But if I would have just showed you this, okay, just, you would say, okay, yeah, I would have invested here, I would have sold here. But most of the people, when they don't make money for 1 year, they quit. When they see this kind of a drawdown, chartically, this looks so nice because you are just looking at the top. But the minute you go under, it's like an iceberg, like a Titanic iceberg, that it's much deeper down than on the upside. So that's why I always emphasize that look at the underwater equity curve. Then we are like fish. Okay. If a trader or a system trader or a trend follower, everybody has to be like a fish. That you come above the water for a few seconds. I don't know what you do upstairs. And then go back under the water again to live there. Okay. And then after say 6 months or 1 month, depending on your strategy, you come up again and then again go back down. Then again go back. So you have to be like a fish just living underwater. This is what we call as underwater equity curve. This is called as underwater equity curve. And you are going to spend your rest of your life, 90% of your life under the water, not above the water.